Hello guys, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your life. Today I'm going to just talk about consistency. I consider myself I'm unable to follow the consistency, but after completing almost one thing, I'm still able to say that yes, I am good at inconsistency. I still remember it was the time of 22nd of December. I had taken the oath that I'm going to write the name of Radharani. I just thought because I really wanted to control myself. And you won't believe it has been almost 8 months since I have controlled everything. I'm spending very rare time on social media. I'm not active on social media at all. In terms of social, no, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. Yeah, I do active on WhatsApp because being a shopkeeper, I just have too much work from WhatsApp. But if I talk about Instagram, Facebook, I never use this thing at all. I have developed the habit of taking exercise because I do think when I take exercise, I reduce my weight. There was a time I gained almost 8 kg weight. My weight was around 55 and I took it till 63. But middle of the time when I got sick and my health issue, I had some health issue as well, so I lost almost 4 kg at that time. But I did not stop at all. I bounced back and I started taking exercise again. It has been more than 12 days since the gym has been closed due to some reason. Recently in the gym water has flowed, so Raul Bhai has just said that it will take him at least 15 to 16 days to get it repaired. So that's why we are not going to gym at all. I'm taking exercise at home and somehow I'm trying to meditate and try to make a video. Look at, I don't understand. I'm not afraid of making video at all. I can make a video at any time and I can speak better than anybody else. I have knowledge as well because these days almost I don't miss a single day watching podcast. I keep watching podcasts and different kind of videos in terms of concentration, geopolitics, economics, and worldview. And I have huge interest in geopolitics. These days, I'm just following closely the war between Ukraine and Russia. Recently, Russia again attacked Ukraine heavily. He just launched hundreds of drones and ballistic missiles as well. Now, Putin has no diplomatic pressure at all because when America sanctioned Russia, almost 52,000 sanctions have been imposed on Russia, but Russia's economy is growing extremely well because Russia is the largest importer exporter of energy, natural resources like gas, energy, fuel. So that's why and India is the second largest importer of natural gas and China is first. And look at uh, no, Trump has imposed 50% tariff from India and he has given the excuse that India is importing oil from Russia, that's why we are sanctioning. But do you know what is the funniest part? Even America is also importing natural resources as well as rare mineral from Russia. America I'm talking about, sorry. And he is just importing something from Russia and he is imposing tariff on us. This is called Doglapanti of Trump. Yeah, being a power, obviously you will just give some excuses to the world that why he's giving tariff plan. By the way, after getting in power, Trump is just threatening all the developing country, and that is all about tariff, tariff, tariff. And I have huge interest in geopolitics. Let's talk about health. Guys, you won't believe health is very important. I have given the first priority to my health and second priority to do whatever I want, whether I want to accomplish my goal, I want to earn money, I want to buy my desired things. It is the second priority, but first priority is all about health. Health is real wealth. We have to understand because when you are sick, no, then you will not care about your money, bank balance, expensive things in the world, because at that time only you will have in your mind how to get well. And it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort if you're compromising with your health. Yeah, guys, maybe right now you are young and you have power in your body, so that's why it is able to tackle the problem. But after 20 years, 10 years, once your body gets weak, so all the disease will attack you and you will be in adverse situation. Let's talk about today's. Today I just made a video about the new bill, and the education minister of Delhi has brought this new bill. So I thought let's make a video and tell the people of, or tell everybody, because it is the most important bill I have ever seen, especially in Delhi. It is the new revolution in Indian education, especially in Delhi. You know very well, in private school they are fixing the fees structure according to their expense, according to themselves. There is no law and order against them. But on 8th of August, the new bill has been introduced in Vidhan Sabha of Delhi, and the bill name was, what was the bill name was, I'm forgetting, it is slipping from my mind, but it is something like that. I'm not able to recall it, but later once I recall it in my mind, I will definitely tell you. I was talking about the new bill. I recall it, transparency and fixation of fee, regulation of fee, and Education Minister of Delhi Ashish Sood has introduced this bill in Vidhan Sabha, and it has been passed as well. Let's see when it will be implemented. In this bill, it is all about all the private school have to mention for the next 3 years what will be their fee structure. Middle of the year they cannot have the fee hike at all. So obviously 25 lakh middle class family are going to get the benefit from this bill, because obviously all the middle class parents want their son to be educated and get the best education from the private school. We know what is the situation of school in government, so we are very insecure towards our children education. That's why we just sacrifice with our dream. We live in a small house, but we spend a lot of money in our children education. So I think this will benefit a lot. So I think this is the best work from the BJP, because I hate BJP. Yes, openly I am confirming it. I hate BJP because I have heard everything. What did happen? BJP government supported. Even he just did the campaign in the favor of Trump. Ab ki baar Trump sarkar. What did happen? Trump just imposed 50% tariff. And what is the situation of law and order in India? What is the situation of Meghalaya? Do you know what did the most important thing hurted me? The situation of Manipur. Manipur has been burnt almost a year, but Prime Minister did not react a single words. Otherwise, he is very active on social media. Whenever he has to steal the credit, and he is the number one person. When India won the T20 World Cup, when any sports person won the medal, he is the number one person who will congratulate. But when he is in danger, let's take an example of all the wrestler who is protesting against the federal chief of, what is the name of that person? Let me just think what is the name of that person. I got his name. His name was Brij Mohan. He was the federal chief of sports association. It doesn't matter how hard they protested. They have been forcefully equated. They have been forcefully dealt with. What was the situation of that time? The gold medalist Vinesh Pogart was just protesting against Brij Mohan Bhushan. And what did happen? BJP government did not take any action. But when he got the pressure from the